Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can sign up for the new Meta Threads, which is being dubbed the Facebook killer. Just to give you a quick little rundown of what Threads is that it's built by Instagram. The whole Instagram team is behind it, and it's directly linked to your Instagram account. Now, Threads does allow posts that are up to 500 characters long, which can include links, photos, GIFs, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. Threads is available for both the iOS and the Android in over 100 different companies. On the first few hours, like the first 7 hours, 10 million people signed up for Threads. So if you want to be one of them, this is how you do it. Now, total time, it'll take about 3 to 5 minutes to sign up. What you need is your iPhone or an Android, and you need to log into your Instagram account. Step 1, download the Threads app. On either your iPhone or your Android, open the Google Play Store or the Apple Store on your phone, search Threads, and then hit download. The app is free. You can also find a direct link in your Instagram app by tapping the 3 lines in the top right corner and open Settings, then click on Threads, which will take you to the App Store. Step 2 is to log in with your Instagram account. So when you open the Threads app, a button at the bottom of the screen will guide you to log in with your Instagram account. You can switch between Instagram accounts, choosing which one to use if necessary. Step 3, create your profile. From here, you'll be asked to create a profile with a picture, a bio, and an option to add links. You can also import your info from Instagram, so whatever is your current Instagram profile automatically migrates to Threads. Step 4, now you gotta decide whether you want your profile picture to be, or your profile to be public or private. Threads will then ask you to choose between public and private profiles. With a public account, anyone on or off Threads can see your account. If it's private, your account will only be available to approved followers. Now, step 5 is to follow accounts. You can either instantly follow all the accounts that you already follow on Instagram, or you can choose who to follow manually. If you follow someone who isn't on Threads yet, they'll appear as pending until they've joined. Step 6, start exploring. Your account is ready to go, and you can browse through the homepage, follow more accounts, and post your own threads. Well, hopefully this was helpful for you in signing up for the new Threads. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.